Maharashtra, the land of opportunity, where the bustling energy of Mumbai meets the innovation corridors of Pune and the agricultural powerhouses of Nashik and Nagpur, fuel both tradition and transformation. With a GDP larger than many countries and home to some of India's top educational institutions, industrial hubs, and tech ecosystems, Maharashtra is not just a state, it's a startup haven in motion. Whether you're a young graduate brimming with ideas, a corporate professional ready for your entrepreneurial leap, or someone from a small town with a vision to build something big, this video is your roadmap. In today's session, we explore 20 high-potential, scalable, and innovative startup ideas tailor-made for Maharashtra's unique economic, social, and cultural landscape. From green tech to fintech, from personalized health to drone-based solutions, these ideas aren't just trendy, they're viable. We'll break down the business model, key trends, profitability potential, investment levels, and even what kind of person would be best suited to run each venture. So whether you're looking to impact your local community or create something that scales nationally, let's dive into the best business opportunities Maharashtra has to offer. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. 1. Agri-tech for urban farming. Smart farming for cities. Think hydroponics, IoT-based kits, and clean greens right from balconies. Ideal for sustainability-focused techies. 2. EV charging infrastructure. Maharashtra is accelerating EV adoption. You can ride this wave by launching solar-powered or app-enabled charging stations. 3. Personalized nutrition, DNA-based diets. The future of food is in your genes. If you're into biotech and wellness, this scalable health tech model is booming. 4. AI robotics skill development centers. AI is here to stay. Help others catch up by offering training programs with AR/VR-led learning. Great for edupreneurs. 5. Drone-based services. Agriculture, surveillance, or logistics. Drone tech is flying high. With the right licenses, this is a high-margin business. 6. Organic food cafes and delivery. Health is wealth. Launch a farm-to-fork cafe or cloud kitchen focusing on clean, organic meals. 7. Sustainable fashion brand. Green is the new black. Eco-conscious fashion is trending, and Maharashtra's youth are ready for conscious choices. 8. Cloud kitchens. With rising demand for food delivery, virtual restaurants offer high margins and quick scaling. 9. Urban hydroponic farming. Short on land? No problem. Vertical indoor farming systems are ideal for Mumbai and Pune entrepreneurs. 10. Specialty agro-processing. Turn millets, amla, and jackfruit into profitable packaged goods. High export and domestic demand. 11. Eco-friendly packaging manufacturing. With single-use plastics on the decline, eco-packaging is an urgent and profitable need. 12. Smart waste management. Municipalities and societies are looking for IoT-enabled waste solutions. Great B2B. Play with recurring revenue. 13. Organic waste composting units. Convert food waste into compost. Municipal tenders and hotel contracts make this a viable green startup. 14. Fintech for rural Maharashtra. Create mobile-first platforms for payments, loans, and savings. Big impact, big market. 15. Skill-based e-learning platforms. Teach practical skills in Marathi or Hindi for Tier 2 and 3 youth. EdTech tailored for Bharat. 16. Rural BPO, KPO centers. Take outsourcing to Tier 3 towns. Lower cost, high-quality labor. A win for global clients. 17. AI-powered LegalTech platforms. Automate document drafting, research, and legal help. Subscription CFS with huge demand among MSMEs. 18. EV infrastructure. Revisited focus on residential areas. Plug and play. EV stations at homes and buildings is an untapped segment. 19. Drone services for agriculture offer crop analytics, spraying, and mapping, especially in sugarcane-rich regions. 20. Market-linked incubators or co-working hubs create hybrid hubs where startups can get funding, mentoring, and workspaces. Maharashtra's mini Silicon Valleys are emerging. You've seen the ideas, you know the trends. Now the question is, how do you execute? At Market Research Universe, we turn ideas into high-growth startups by providing real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, and target persona mapping, go-to-market strategies, and channel planning, marketing campaign strategy and positioning business plans, pitch decks, and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Whether you're building your dream in Mumbai, scaling a sustainable venture in Nagpur, exploring opportunities in Nashik, or launching a tech product from Kolhapur, we offer end-to-end market-backed execution support. Let's build your startup with confidence, precision, and purpose. Because with the right insights, your idea isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Maharashtra is not just a destination, it's a launchpad. Whether you're inspired by clean tech, health, agriculture, or AI, these 20 ideas aren't just viable, they're visionary. The state offers you the policies, the people, and the platforms to build something that lasts. And remember, execution matters more than just ideas. Start small, think big, and stay rooted in what your customers actually need. The future of entrepreneurship in Maharashtra is waiting, and maybe your startup is the next big thing.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.